Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the standard Alfa Laval Twin Screw pump using our service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. How to change the wet end on the Alfa Laval Twin Screw pump. Start by lubricating the external elastomers on the cartridge seals. Slide the cartridge seals over the shafts, making sure that the seal drive flat aligns with the corresponding flat in the seal housing. Press them into place in the seal housing and the abutment shoulder. Lubricate and replace the O-rings on the retainer plugs. Then fit the seal retention plugs and gland guards. Lubricate the O-rings and place them on the front of the cartridge. Lubricate and fit the pump casing elastomers in the seal housing and the front cover. How to replace the cartridge and assemble the Alfa Laval Twin Screw pump. Now ensure that the indication marks on the screws correspond with the markings on the shafts. Then place the feed screws onto a flat surface and mesh them so that the ends are flush. Then fit both screws onto the shafts at the same time and push them until they come into contact with the mechanical seal sleeve. You may need to rotate the shafts until the splines fit. Lubricate and fit the elastomers onto the feed screw nuts. Now apply a locking compound to the feed screw nut threads. Mount the feed screw nuts and tighten. Insert a soft material block between the feed screws to stop them from turning. Tighten the feed screw nuts to the required torque as stated in the instruction manual. Now check the position of the marking on the pump casing to ensure that the housing is in the same position as it was before it was removed. Fit the pump casing over the feed screws and engage them with the dowels. Fit the front cover to the pump casing. Fit the front cover nuts and washers and tighten them to the recommended torque value as stated in the instruction manual. Finally, rotate the drive shaft clockwise to check for jamming. To maintain the Alfa Laval twin screw pump as shown, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure that you cover all the maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. When servicing Alfa Laval equipment, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Thank you for watching.